how this technology blockchain is different from the normal banking system.
Hi everyone, I am Rishi, BTech second year. So as sir asked us that how blockchain is different from the rhetorical system which we have currently in use. So first of all, if I will explain you that if you want to do a transaction in earlier days, you will take a money, go to a buyer or a seller, you will give him the money to take the product and come back home. This is the transaction. Then it become complex again and again, and after that in today's in 2022 we as a customer used to UPI, like we do a transaction to UPI, then UPI will again transfer the permission to the bank, and then bank transfer it to the bank will transfer the money to the seller's bank, and the seller will transfer the money the seller bank when seller bank will receive the money. After that the seller will give you the thing you want. So this is called transaction. So in this transaction we have many cases of looting of a bank and OTP misdirections, and we have many things through which the buyer's money get lost. Though this is not a secure way of doing the transaction, so we have blockchain in this. So what blockchain gonna do is they will make a smart contracts according to which your transaction will be more secure. This is like a train which have different compartments, and through these compartments there are different information stored in each compartment. So if one of the compartment will got missed off, so the whole transaction will be corrupted. In this way no one will be able to steal your data, steal your money, and steal your privacy. For more information, here is Mayank with us.
Hello everyone, I'm Mayank. So now I would like to explain you how blockchain really works. So basically, blockchain is a chain of blocks. In each block, there is some data, there is some address of that current block, and there is address of next block. Okay. So what is really happening? All these blocks are interlinked with each other. Now, the one of the most important benefit of blockchain is the data is secure. Now, how the data is secure? Let's talk about it. So let's say if a hacker or someone's tried to temper the data of a particular block, what will happen? As soon as he or she tempers the data, the address of that block will be changed, so the address of the next block. So what will happen? It will corrupt the whole blockchain. Now due to this thing, the data is secure and you cannot temper the data. Now we are using this technology in our project due to many reasons. Number one reason is because it is fast. Second reason is the data is secured. The third reason is basically all the transaction will be secured and no one can erase them. Now basically what will now as a you all should be familiar with trading system, right? So basically there are many loopholes in trading system. One of the major importance of using blockchain in this is it will keep the data secure, so it will help the government bodies like SEBI to manage and to make things as legal as possible. Now I would like Rishi to explain the technicality of our project.
As Mayank told you about blockchain, now I think you have a prior knowledge, a brief intro about what is blockchain, what is all the thing. Now I would like to talk about our project in which we are using blockchain. So you can see on the screen that there is a homepage of our project. The transaction which happens daily. The transaction can be anything. If you buy a toffee from a kirana store, this is a transaction. If you buy a notebook from a stationery, this is a transaction. And if you buy a stock from BSC, that is also a transaction. And if you take a loan from the bank by giving a collateral, your land as a collateral, that is also a transaction. Anything which is related to money, towards legally transmit of money from here to there, is called a transaction. So as you know, what is NFT? NFT is a non-fungible token. Non-fungible token means a image or basically a proprietary piece of art which is proprietary to you. No one can use it without your permission. This is a layman explanation of NFT. So people used to buy and sell NFTs, trade them. So on our platform you can buy and sell NFTs, you can trade them, you can buy and sell stocks, you can trade in stock, you can trade in crypto, anything if you want. and for this we want a more secure platform, because as you can see in India only, if we do transaction in Indian rupee, there are lots of cases happening about stolen of OTP and your information leak. If we want to do it on global level, so there are many peoples which will try to hack, or which will try to steal our thing. So for that we need a secure thing, which is a blockchain. So blockchain is a lifesaver for us. Here we are using blockchain. So in this platform, you can buy NFTs, you can sell NFTs, you can list your NFTs, you like an art gallery, you can buy, sell stocks, you can do any transaction online if you want. Any transaction you want to do, there is a one-stop solution, correct?
So now I will explain how basically we are doing this stuff, right? So blockchain is a really vague word. Like, we are using this technology, but this is not the only thing that we are using. So there's now I'm going to list few of the technologies that we are using. We are using MetaMask, we are using Ethereum, we are using a smart contract, and we are using blockchain, Robson, and there's a lot of things. So I know it feels really overwhelming when you listen, when I'm telling you all this about all the technologies that we are using. So let's break it down. Okay, so basically there are many blockchains, right? So the chain that we are working on is of Ethereum. We are working on Ethereum blockchain. Now, other than Ethereum blockchain, there is Bitcoin blockchain, Dogecoin blockchain. So the blockchain we are using is Ethereum. Now there's a one thing called MetaMask. What we are doing, we have integrating MetaMask with Ethereum blockchain, and through that we are doing the transaction. Now this is the overall part that we are doing. Now as Rishi has told you about the services we are providing, be it NFT, be it the transaction you are making, and all those stuff, right? So basically behind the scenes there is one thing called smart contract that is we are using. So with the help of Ethereum blockchain and MetaMask. Now as you can see the MetaMask extension over here, you can see I have 9.999 coins. Now these are Robson coins. Now there are various coins, Dogecoin, Robson coin, and others. So Bitcoin. So the coin we are using is Robson coin, right? And let's move further. So these are the services that we are providing, as you can see. So we will be using it in trading. And other than that, we will be also using in NFTs and in different like our future plan is to use it in all the places where transaction is happening, so that the transaction can be secure and the data on all the transaction history cannot be tampered. Now it not only it will help you as a user, but it will also help the government to keep track, so that things work legally as much as possible. Now moving further, I would like Rishi to explain about the NFTs and about the things that we are using.
So what is NFT? I think most of our viewers are very curious about an NFT. So NFT is a piece of art which you can buy. In earlier 90s, when we used to see TV shows and cartoons on TV. So one of us like to have it. If we see the Mr. Bean, so if we want that we want that Mr. Bean with us. So some of people are so much indulged in it that they want to buy the piece of art there. So now it is possible with NFT. So NFT can do is someone can make a piece of art, or someone can make anything, make a meme, and can place it on our website as on our marketplace, and one can buy it. And after buying the NFT, the one will have total control over that. They will like a movie film producer have the overall control of that movie. You can have the overall control of that image. Without a permission, the image will not be used anywhere else. So this is called an NFT. You can see here that there are some memes and NFTs which are showing here. So this is called NFT. If you can say that this is waste of money, nothing for use, but collector used to collect it, and they are collecting it. They are interested in it. So yeah, this is NFT, and we are here to sell them. We are a marketplace.